Hello guys, thank you again for watching my video, and basically this video is made for my subscribers. And I know I've started this YouTube channel this year and probably I was expecting a bit too much, but I'm still happy that I've started YouTube. I know it's the last day of this year and honestly I think I've achieved a bit of good results in this year. Got married this year. I've got a lot of gear. Some of them some of them I did upgrade. I got a new laptop and I'm really grateful for that. And as I've said, I'm really happy that I've started my YouTube channel this year, and I know there's still a lot of things I need to learn and improve in terms of editing videos, in terms of recording videos and learning about my gear, which I have a lot of them. And I really hope in 2024 I can achieve more than in 2023, and to be honest, I really hope that you can achieve a lot as well. This YouTube channel is very small, and for my subscribers who's watching this, I really hope you're gonna achieve a lot and you're gonna start your own things in 2024. Do not stop and do not wait for perfect moment, because there is not a perfect moment and will never be. The perfect moment is now, and you have to start now something to do it if you want to grow. I'm still kind of getting used to be in front of the camera. As you can see, I'll be still stressed and slightly anxious, but I'm still working on this. As I said, for those my subscribers, big thank you for them, and thanks for supporting me. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you for replying to comments or commenting my videos. I really appreciate that. This really matters a lot for me and for this really tiny YouTube channel. My plan for 2024 is to grow this YouTube channel, same as your knowledge and my knowledge as well. So I'm planning to learn more, share more with you as well. And if you have any ideas what kind of content you're looking, feel free to reply in comments, or you can tell me in the comments what kind of idea you'd like to give it to me to improve this small YouTube channel. And as I said, 2023 was a long year for me. It was hard. I tried to manage a full-time job and, as I said, my small YouTube channel, also selling content online, which I've started in March, to put all my content online for selling. I need to monetize that content which is on my hard drive and is collecting dust, doing nothing. So it's better to make some pennies or to monetize them. If you're the new person watching this video, just let me know. Thank you for clicking my video. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you find it interesting. If not, there is other videos I made which might interest you, so feel free to click those videos. If you don't like them, please comment in the comments. Tell me why you don't like and what you like, so I can improve, which that's the most important thing for me. So it's always room for improvements, and if you don't like something, please let me know in the comments. My plans for 2024 is to grow this YouTube channel and to share more knowledge, more techniques, more reviews, more gear reviews, so you know which gear is better for you. So just to let you know, I'm not getting any free gear, so all my gear I have, it's purchased from my own money, and I will try to be very detailed when I'm gonna post a tech review or camera review or lens review or drone review, so you can choose the best options which suits your needs. Hopefully you're gonna have a very great happy new year 2024, and also Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next video, which I'm gonna post one video. I'll try to post one video each week, maybe twice, so maybe 2 videos a week, maybe 1 week, but definitely 1 video a week. That's something I'm gonna post. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well, and I'll see you next video.